Hello friends, guten Tag. Today our topic will be weeks, die Woche. Okay, we'll start without wasting any time. Monday will be called as Montag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Thursday, Donnerstag, Friday, Freitag, Saturday, Samstag, Sunday, Sonntag. Saturday plus Sunday becomes weekend. That is Samstag plus Sonntag. Together combining we becomes Wochenende, weekends. This is a very small topic. By the gist of it, we could able to tell anybody could able to talk in German about the weeks, what he has done in the entire week, how the week is scheduled, what is his plan. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.